So I thought this was pretty interesting. So I don't have cleats on this side of the garage because really the only thing I have here is a trailer, and usually when the stuff falls it misses. But today an interesting thing I noticed was when the icicle parts fell off, they landed inverted, so now it looks like there's a bunch of daggers. Let me get a little bit closer to that. You can see that is pretty cool looking. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.